With your string already soaked in paint, place it carefully into the center of your canvas or wherever you choose to, and then lift one end carefully to create the first part of that feather. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. Thank you so much for being here. Today guys, I want to do a feather using just strings, just 2 strings that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be placing the paint over the strings. As you can see, I'm started off with the red, so I'm just covering the strings with the paint. You know, I've watched several artists here on YouTube and I've seen them done this technique, so this is my first time doing it guys, and I'm so happy that you're actually here with me in this journey, watching me share my journey you know, here on YouTube. And thank you so much guys. You know what, I honestly really do appreciate all your kindness, all your support. If you're new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and if you would like to see more great creative content, please subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much. And of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will know whenever I post a new video. And of course, the colors I'll be using will be listed in the description below. Check it out guys. Wow, wow, wow. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, the colors. It's amazing. What a beautiful technique. Wow. String pull technique. I do love it. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comment section below. And here it is, all dried. The gold, wow, it stands out so beautifully against the white. It's amazing. What do you guys have to say about this one? Let me know in the comment section below. Give it a try, you guys. You know what? I saw someone doing this on YouTube and I decided to give it a try myself. So, you know what? I want to encourage you to just get up and try it. And remember, there's a base coat on the canvas. It's wet, all right? So it's not a dry canvas. Give it a try, guys. And I hope you check out my playlist. And I will see you next time. Bye.